Dropshipping instead is something everyone says all the time. Well, in this video, I'm going to try to prove you guys wrong because I decided to do a dropshipping challenge over the Black Friday weekend. I was honestly planning on running my own stores for Black Friday, but I eventually ended up getting banned from Facebook, so I did not stand a chance in terms of Black Friday, and ended up just deciding like I'm going to do a dropshipping challenge. And guys, believe me or not, we managed to make some sales. And the funny part about this challenge is I did not have any advantages whatsoever over anyone else in the dropshipping game. So on a brand new ad account, I was renting an American friend of mine's ad account to do this challenge for you guys. So everything is fresh, no advantages. Let's see how this goes. This challenge is definitely an exciting moment, so make sure you guys watch it, and I'm sure you guys gonna learn a lot. If you like this video later on, I'm the Ecom boss, so make sure you guys just smash a thumbs up on it already for me bringing us the challenge. This video definitely took a lot of effort to make for you guys, and I wasted a lot of money. And make sure you guys subscribe, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can do that here. The first day of doing this dropshipping challenge, I obviously needed a product, so what I ended up doing is I went over to AliExpress, as you guys can see on screen now, and I did my normal tactic. Just started scrolling the more to love section to try to see if I can find any good products. And eventually, after like 15 minutes, I ended up finding a really good product that I definitely felt comfortable in. That was a pain relief product, as you guys can see now. The reason I ended up going with this product is honestly because a friend of mine did 36 grand in a day with a similar product last year on Black Friday, and it's also an evergreen product. Like, these are things that will always sell because it's pain relief. It's a super genius product, and it's like flexible, so you could flip it the way you want to flip it. You could stretch anywhere. It's just a super cool product, which I was actually able to sell for $39, which honestly, in my opinion, I think was a little bit overpriced. But if you're gonna get a margin, you honestly got to go for $39. As I said earlier, the coolest part about this challenge was I was pulling this off on Black Friday. I started a challenge night to Friday, which means Thursday evening. But you guys are probably wondering, how is the store looking? I managed to build a store that I called Nice Life Deals. The funniest part about this was when I built the store to begin with, I was in the theme settings because I was customizing something. I don't remember exactly what it was, but I was customizing something on my store. Ended up deleting the whole code, so my store just looked like this at a point. The store was just looking horrible. Everything was deleted, and the Shopify theme experts gave me 72 hours to get a response, and I was like, no, it's Black Friday, I don't have time. So I hired a guy who built me the store again. It was basically an exact same store as the other one, but he was just tweaking it to make it look good again. And let's look at the store, guys. This is the hype moment. Let's take a look at the store. So the store is called Nice Life Deals. You guys can see on the homepage here, we got a Black Friday theme, because you guys know it's Black Friday. Like, we gotta have a Black Friday theme to make some people actually buy. Setting up all the fake discounts and everything like that. If we scroll a little bit down, we will see the collections. I ended up going with home. Also went with healthcare, skincare, and creativity, because the creativity niche is a super cool niche, but you don't really have a specific name for that niche, so I just went with creativity. If you go down a little bit more, you guys can see that I just talked a little bit about Black Friday and how Black Friday is going to be, and enjoy the shopping with us, because that gives people, you know, the reason to buy, because it's Black Friday and people really buy. That's why we made sales in the challenge. Oh, I already supposed we made sales, but we'll have to see if it's profitable in a second. Okay, if we scroll a little bit more down, you guys can see the product that I put on my homepage. This is the product that I was going to advertise, right? And that is the feature product, because I truly believe if you're selling one specific product on a general store, you should always have the product that you're selling featured on the homepage, because if the customer somehow navigates out of your product page, you need to make it super simple for the customer to find back the product. That is why I put the product on the homepage. Let's go into the collections. We go into healthcare, and then we hit the product. You guys can see my description here. It's really nice. I started off talking about Black Friday and how you can save 50% off. You guys can see some good pictures here of the product as well, and I have a video for the Facebook ad and also two pictures, which I will get into in a sec. So you guys can see my description is like always a paragraph and then a picture, which in this case is a GIF. A GIF is a really good way of increasing conversions, in my opinion. So one paragraph, one picture, one paragraph, one picture. Just keep scrolling through it, why you need it, how stretching is important. If you don't stretch, you get super dizzy, and I actually have problems with my neck, and I need to stretch myself. So I can clearly tell if you don't stretch, you will get dizzy, you can get headaches. It's just a really bad nightmare. Could actually get to that point. And I am not kidding with you guys. It can actually go really bad if you do not stretch your neck. Scroll a little bit more down, you guys will see the Luke's reviews. Luke's reviews, I feel like, is super important, and you don't necessarily need that. I have friends doing 7 figures without Luke's reviews, but in my opinion, Luke's reviews is super cool, and why not just create that trust factor when you have the opportunity to, right? And also put up the currency converter plus, because I was going to sell worldwide and to the top 5. So in case some people have problems with their currency and wanted to know their exact currency, because not everyone knows the currency like dollars, right? So I just went with the currency converter plus, which always increases the conversion rate a little bit when you go in worldwide. So these are the results from the first day of running ads. As you guys can see, we managed to make one sale the first day, which I think is a really good start because it was not looking good in the beginning and my ads were stuck in review for a long time. So this sale probably just took me 2 hours to make, which I was satisfied with at the first day. And as I said with you guys, I want a brand new ad account and new pixel. I did not have any advantages whatsoever in this challenge. But really quickly after that sale, my ad account got banned, which was my friend Scrub's account from the United States because of like identity proof, suspicious activity, which I obviously did expect considering the fact that I just log in from my country right now and he's in the States. But what can you do? Black Friday was in 6 hours. I was definitely in a hurry, so I just went with his account, did whatever I could, and I ran up my product. But since I got banned on his account, I took it over to another account, which I will get into a second, where the success started coming in as well. But this was a really bad time because Black Friday was only a couple of hours away at this point. So after the sale, it took me 1 hour to get my whole ad account banned. My ads haven't even started optimizing. And the saddest part was I was actually getting a lot of add to carts, a ton of visitors as well, and just super high engagement on my site when I was using my friend Scrub's account. But eventually, as I said, we got banned. So what can you really do about it? You can honestly just move on. So I was on a call with a student of mine helping him out because he was also trying to do Black Friday as well. So this student of mine was nice enough to lend me an ad account because he has a business manager with multiple ad accounts. He was actually nice enough to lend me one of his ad accounts and say like, yo, if you are doing this challenge, you could just use my ad account. So big shout out to him. He let me use the ad account. So the first day on that ad account, I launched the product once again. And as you guys can see on screen here, this is the video that I went for with this product. And the copy was things like start stretching today, 50% off Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. And the video was really good. It shows people sitting in a really bad position, just having problems with their neck, and how this product can just be shaped in any form possible. And you will be able to stretch wherever you guys want to stretch. So I put up 2 pictures and then I put up the video ad before I went into the ad sets where I was going to choose interest. So the interest that I was choosing from this product obviously was running at $10 a day. I launched 2 campaigns, one worldwide and the other one was top 5. The interest was still the same almost, but the worldwide did way better. Like the top 5 did really bad compared to the worldwide, and the CPM was like way over 20 on the top 5, and the worldwide just did super well. High engagement, a lot of add to carts, initial checkouts, and eventually sales. But then we used interest such as neck, for example. We also used stretching. I think I used home, Netflix, and massage, as you guys can see on screen, obviously, if you guys are watching right now. And those interests, there was one of them that ended off taking off. I don't know if that's the right word for it, but I managed to make a sale with one of the interests. Little do you know, right after I made that sale, I was playing FIFA because there was some packs out or something. And I don't play a lot of games, but I just relaxed playing FIFA with one of my buddies. And then I was checking my Shopify. A lot of people were trying to purchase, but for some weird reason, nobody really bought it, even though I had a fake discount. And in that case, I will blame the product because I'm really confident in my skill with Facebook ads. I feel like I'm pretty good at dropshipping, which I'm obviously is, because if not, I wouldn't be qualified to help you guys. It's just the truth. So I was really confident with myself, in my ads, in the interest selection, everything, which means I would probably in this case just blame it on the product. The product wasn't good enough. I did whatever I could, but it wasn't good enough at this point though. And then eventually as I was playing the game, I started seeing less traffic on my website, and the student of mine who earlier lent me the ad account sent me a message saying, yo, the account got banned. And I was like, no, are you for real now? The challenge is looking really bad. The account just totally got banned. We did not know what we was doing. We had 2 sales, as you guys can see, because this is from the second day. We also made one more sale, which I was obviously happy with, and I thought we could actually be able to scale this product eventually, because I can tell from previous experience, so many add to carts, so many checkouts, why would we not be able to scale this product? And one thing I totally forgot to tell you guys was I was actually running 2 products. The other one was in home niche, and that also popped the sale a little bit earlier, but it didn't get tracked on Facebook. But I ended up just shutting that off and going completely for the healthcare product, the neck stretcher. Eventually, as I said, I got banned on my student's account as well, which was a super big problem. He obviously continued running his ads because it was only the ad account that I was lending from him that worked. He still had 4 ad accounts left. He continued running his ads, but Black Friday was just looking really bad for me at this point. So we ended off, as I said earlier, the second day with 2 sales, and I also had my guy testing out the payment providers. That's why you guys can clearly see that there we got some sales for $1, because this is something I believe in, guys. It's truly important that you, in the beginning of your dropshipping store, always make a test order with PayPal and with Stripe or whatever you're using, just to make sure the order can actually go through, because that's the reason to why you're getting a lot of add to carts and no sales. I also went with free shipping, tried to upsell the customer on express shipping, which nobody took, but that is because we only made 2 sales. Yeah, you guys heard that right. The challenge ended off with me only pulling off 2 sales. I do not believe that this is because I'm a bad dropshipper. I'll probably blame it on the product, but as I said, this challenge was done really desperately because I had to get something up and going for Black Friday. And the really bad thing, which is way worse than this challenge only bringing me up to 2 sales, is that my store that was doing 15K every single day got banned happened right before Black Friday. So I was on everything completely new, completely from scratch, and I was only counting on 2 products. Eventually turned off the one home decor product, and I was now only running the neck stretcher, as I told you guys earlier. Ended up not working out too good. If we were to go calculate the product right now, which I can't because I'm banned, so I cannot even see the ads, but I definitely spent way more than I made, and I probably lost like $200 on this challenge, which is the thing you guys need to expect. When you're going into dropshipping, it's totally possible to lose money, but as I told you guys earlier, I have stores doing 15k every single day almost, leading up to Black Friday, which means dropshipping is well alive. The profit margins are there. High ROAS is totally possible, especially if you're going worldwide. Your ROAS will be higher. So I recommend you guys to get on dropshipping. It's not that this is the best time ever for you guys to dropship from AliExpress or private label. It's whatever, but dropshipping is clearly not dead. This challenge, I do not know if that proves that wrong. I honestly think not, because we only ended up getting 2 sales, but dropshipping is not dead still. You could get way more sales. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to smash a like on it and that you do subscribe to the Ecom channel, and I appreciate you guys so much. You do not even know. When we hit 3k subscribers, that's gonna be exciting. We're really close. I'm so thankful for you guys. And the store, honestly, I do not need the store at all. If any of you guys want to store, I'll see what I can do. Just drop a comment in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll totally see what I can do for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you guys, and I cannot say that enough. I keep saying I gotta stop. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.